Hello, thanks for watching this free video. The video title is ABCT in stock market, which means that anybody can trade in stock market. Let's see how we can do that. So I have basically noted down some of the points which are very important to understand before we start investing in stock market. So first thing is, what are stocks? So stocks are the publicly listed companies. So in India, we have two stock exchange. One is National Stock Exchange and the other one is Bombay Stock Exchange. And any company which, if they want to raise the funds, they have to get listed in NSE or BSE, or they can also get listed in both. So for getting listed in these companies, there is something called as initial public offering. So not all companies can be listed. Only few companies who have a good track record can apply for an IPO in NSE or BSE, and once after it's get approved, it will be available, it will be published and available for public to buy. And once after any company is listed in IPO, they have to declare their quarterly results to the public. That's the rule. So next we'll see who is a stockbroker. So stockbroker is the one who have the license to trade in shares, which means that if you want to invest in any of the stocks, let's say for example Tata or Reliance, any of the stocks, first you have to get connected with the stockbroker, which means that you have to open a demat account with stockbroker, and only then you will be able to buy or sell stocks through your stockbroker. Basically, stockbroker is an agent in the share transactions, and for that they charge the brokerage fee, which means that for the number of stocks you buy and sell, they charge a minimal commission, and that is called as brokerage. Now let's see what is a demat account. So previously there used to be all paper tradings, which means that if you have to open or buy or sell a stock, you have to submit all the paper documents. But now everything is online, and that is demat. It stands for dematerialization. So now everything is paperless trading in form of computer. We can trade anywhere from the world. Basically nowadays it's very easy to trade. And the regulatory for this is SEBI, which is Security and Exchange Board of India, which controls the stocks. So now in stocks there are two things. One is called as investment and the other one is called as trading. Let's see what is an investment. So investment means you invest in any of the stock and you can hold it for short term, mid term or long term. What does it mean? For example, if you want to buy a stock uh, by based on the news saying that if that the company is going to acquire a new company, or if the company is going to make some good profits, or if they're going to declare some good quarterly results, then you can buy that stock, hold it for short term, maybe 1 or 2 months, and once after you see the profit, you can sell it off. And then mid-term, again similar, you can hold it for 3 to 6 months and sell it off. The long-term stock investments are buy it and just leave it to grow. People who have invested in Bajaj 10 years back, it has grown 300% now. So that's a long-term investment. So basically maybe you can start with the mindset of holding it for short term, but then you can change your mind to hold for mid-term or long term. It's up to you how you want to plan. Trading is different. Trading means we have three different types of trading. One is intraday trading, which means that they buy today and sell today, or they sell today or buy today. Yeah, even without having anything in our hand, we can sell first and then buy first based on the market trend. And swing trading is nothing but uh, buying today and selling tomorrow, or selling today and buying tomorrow. Swing trading happens generally within a span of 3 to 4 days, not more than that. Next is positional trading. Positional trading is nothing but holding it for at least 4 to 5 weeks of time. So mostly what people do is they buy a future of next month or an option of next month and they hold it. That is called positional trading. What is futures and what is options we will discuss in our future sessions. So why to invest in stocks? So in general there is a myth saying that stock market is a gambling, but it is not. It is just like any other business in the world. So if you want to invest your money in any business, will you invest it blindly without knowing what that business does and what will be your returns? No. You will learn and only then you will invest. Same way we have to do it in stock market. But problem is that anybody can trade in stock market, which is one of the best and worst thing in this market. People invest money without having any knowledge or without learning anything, and they end up making losses, and they just say that it's a gamble, and they never come back. And some people, when I ask a question, have you invested your money in stocks or mutual funds, they say that uh, I don't know what is that. So don't be that guy who say I don't know what is that, or who say that I have invested and lost my money, it's all a gamble. So both of these, they have not did the enough studies before investing, or they have not spent enough time to learn about it. And stocks is one of the good investment, because when you consider the investments, most people invest in gold or in real estate, and some invest in stocks. So for investment in gold or real estate, you need a huge capital. But whereas in stocks, even if you have 10 rupees, 50 rupees or 500 rupees, you can invest that. So on regular investment and on a timely basis, timely manner, definitely you will see a good results, good returns in stock market. That's the power of stock market. So our team, myself, my name is Jay. I'm a professional options writer, which means that I do option selling. We will learn more about option selling in future. And my team member Muni, he is a technical analyst who does all the technical analysis of all the stocks and suggests our clients. And Vijay is the investment advisor. So based on the client's requirement, based on the client's budget, Vijay comes up with an investment plan and advises them. This is our team, and this is our website, healthcoach.co.in, and our WhatsApp number is 9491909020. If you have any questions or any concerns, you can talk to us. We'll also be able to help you in choosing the right stock and right broker. Thank you. See you next time.